You're not my dad.
That's a new one. Hey guys, we're here with, we're not even going to do this shit today. I can't get it off. Oh, I got it.
Ding, 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 dong. Ding, 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 ding. Fuck. Ding, ding, ding.
I got mine. So, you already know what we got by the title.
We're by the channel.
This is new.
Put your packs on it, bro.
That's cool.
Probably the source was put that up there. They didn't. They're fucking busy as shit.
But this time we got lunchboxes. Why? We don't know.
If you brought us to school, you'd be fucking so fucking. Holy shit, I'm horny.
John, we get Charizards. We get Charizards.
That's why I look pissed off. In a full armored Mewtwo.
What the fuck is an armored Mewtwo? Okay, guys, this is what.
Oh my god, we got pencils!
Okay, guys, let me just. This is what you get. You get an armored Mewtwo, the Mew Pen, a Pikachu, and a Charizard. We get pencils? I love pencils! Alright, so let me just flip you all back around.
I got one evolutions pack.
Alright, let's see what we got. Pencils! Oh my god! What the hell, dude?
Oh my god, we got stickers.
Oh my goodness. We're not gay, we promise.
Maybe a little bit.
Excuse me? I'm not gay.
Nope, yeah, that's kind of cool though for us.
Dude, this is like... Is this not... Oh, dude, this is lit.
What? Is it a little folder there?
It's a sleeve thing for your EX and GXs and stuff.
Oh, hell yeah.
This is... I already have one of these. This is lit.
I need one of these.
What are these? Stickers and a notepad? Lame. This lunchbox is not as good as I freaking thought.
Cool though, not gonna lie.
So... I am going to open this one up. I actually am running low on space in my other ones. So,
I needed this.
That's for your good EX cards.
Evolution's the last. That's a danger right
That's least open. That bag was touching me and I thought there was a snake on my foot.
I was the only one being captured.
Well, yeah, because you're on the ground.
And you're like in the middle.
Well, come up here, sexy.
Oh, don't come to that.
You prefer to be called daddy?
No, neither. I got a fucking Mew coin.
I'm done being a dick. Yeah, I got a Mew. What coin did you get?
A Mew coin, but mine was silver. We're not.
You got a silver? Oh, yeah, IBC root beer.
Sponsor, I wish.
Dude, for real? One of these days.
No, this is a fucking high fish right there, buddy. Diabetes, follow us.
Look, IBC root beer. It's root beer. I promise.
Not cocaine. Coca-Cola.
You're an idiot. Oh, dude, I love Coke.
Energy. Nidorino. Duo Blade.
A what?
Fluffy. Geodude. Mankey.
I low-key don't know where that went.
Pharaoh Seed.
Is it all the way... Okay.
Wait.
Oh, reverse Dratini.
Mr. Mime.
I'm gonna use... I think I'm gonna open up Team Up first. I already got a Charmander. Wow. Four from the top. Four from the
top. Go on the bottom.
Four on top. Go on the bottom.
And then you flip it over and do it that way.
Mareep. Never heard of that Pokemon.
Vaporeon.
I got a Litten. Litten's a lit Pokemon.
That's my favorite one right there.
I got two Charmanders.
Lil Pete! Lil Pete, bro!
I got two... Oh, never mind. I just got one
Gucci
Charmander.
gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Not too good. Oh. Somebody's texting me. I will, I'm gonna spawn to her later.
Snow Run. Piece of shit.
How am I gonna do this time? I know how I'm gonna do it.
Mimikyu, Beastite, Lil Peep.
You got another little Pete?
Yeah, I got another Lil Peep.
All right, now we're gonna open up Sun and Moon Guardians Rising.
Sandy Gas. Silver.
Dude, how many have you opened?
3. I'm going through it.
And John's not missing out today. 4 from the top, 4 on the bottom.
I watched a YouTube video on how to open
Energy. That's
sad.
a new one.
Motherfucker.
I'm not really opening them like I should for. Dude, that's a heavy card. Oh, that's what.
That might be why.
That's pretty cool.
That's a heavy card.
I was like, because it wasn't releasing, I was like, well, that's a pretty heavy card. Wow.
That's 2 cards.
Shut up. You're such a dick.
Hello, it's like a squad.
Did you take one of my packs?
No, we're not taking one.
Does it only come with 5?
Yeah.
I already see I got a Ghastly.
I'm tired of these reverse foils, man.
Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Energy, Hollow Electabuzz, Beedrill, Trainer, Haunter.
Fucking evolution better be good.
I'm sorry, we're just kind of going through them today. We're not really feeling it today.
I'm not feeling life right now.
Relatable. But, you know, I had to do a video today. I had to. I love doing this.
Ooh, hello.
This really wasn't as hype as we thought it would be.
No.
Energy, Platina, Vaporeon, Tepig, Alolan Sandshrew. Oh, shut up.
You ain't gonna do shit.
Coffee.
I don't even want to have that.
That's kind of cool.
You got that again?
Dude,
you get better shit than I did.
Let's not ever get the lunchboxes again. So if you're watching this, you know don't ever get a lunchbox because lunchboxes just aren't good.
Besides the excuse to hold shit in it. And at least you get this though. I mean,
yeah, I mean you get a card pack, but like, I didn't get anything good this time. I did not get a single good card. My best cards are right here. And they just fell out of the packet.
That isn't a new one in the sleeve though, so this one actually is worse than how do these work?
So yeah, if you ever want to know, whether, should I get this? No, don't. I'm sorry. Just don't. This was honestly not a hype video, but I don't care.
Hype me.
No.
Let's go play some fucking.
This was a waste. This was a.
Upload this.
I'm never buying. No, we're doing it. I'm never, ever buying a lunchbox again. That was horrible.
I guess I ain't got much to shit to fucking organize because they're all fucking the same time.
Yeah, they're all horrible. So now you know if you ever want to get one of these packs.
No, you're risking a lot.
Don't. Just don't. It's not worth the money.
I'm already organizing shit.
I'm honestly pissed off because this was $25 and I got nothing.
You got 2 things. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. I got 2 cards that are pretty good.
Yeah.
YouTube. IBC root beer. I don't know how root beer got cut off. Must have done it in the truck, or John must have done it.
Advertise me.
But root beer. Root.
I think the word beer is pretty bad to say.
Oh well. I just don't want my video taken down because
I love all my reverse foils.
this is more. I know people watch this, but this is more something I can look back on, in the future, and be like, "Wow, I remember doing these. I actually enjoy doing these."
When you actually pull something decent. And now you look depressed. You're drinking a beer looking thing. I didn't
get anything good.
I waste my money on this bull fucking shit. Fucking shit. I wanna die.
Oh, shut up. Anyways, guys, you are an idiot. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wow, I sound hyped now.
After this fucking.
After the video's over.
I'm dead on the side.
Yeah, me too.
And there's reasons for that.
Oh, my muscles are doing it again. Anyways, guys, on that note.
I'm dying.
Literally. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. If you want to see some hype videos, go back to the previous ones we did.
They were all good.
Those are pretty hype.
The first one was probably the best. No, the second one was
The second one. I think the second one was the best one we've ever had. Yeah. I'm sorry this wasn't really hype, guys, but...
Just go listen to NF if you want some hype. Sponsor.
I don't think
Collab.
that's a word. Collab, yeah. Yeah, collab. That'd be actually pretty lit. But yeah, guys, on that note, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.